When we think of macros, most users are referencing recorded macros, which are the most commonly used macros. With a recorded macro, multiple small tasks can be performed in a particular order to ensure consistency in setting up a document or workbook. However, there are limitations. Some tasks are not recordable. In some cases, rearranging tasks will fix this, but in other cases, there is no fixing it. For example, trying to drag select text to format it when recording a macro cannot be done. However, pre-selecting the formatting before typing fixes this issue. Even though some things can be backdoored, building intelligence or special functionality into a macro can only be done with code. Enter the necessity for VBA or Visual Basic for Applications, which is an application-specific chunk of the Visual Basic software built into Microsoft products. With VBA, you can add all kinds of special functionality and add intelligence with if functions and looping. Even your recorded macros are saved in VBA as code. You can do most everything with a coded macro. One wrong or missing character makes the macro inoperable. Check out our class schedule for recorded macros and VBA at mcstech.net or email us at training@mcstech.net.